Good morning, everyone. I'm Dennis Marlon Girls. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard.
Bro, something smell is really strong.
Yeah, maybe it's Nanyos. Maybe that's just how people from India are.
Hey, that's not fair. We shouldn't assume that someone hygiene is connected to their nationality or culture.
But the smell is really uncomfortable.
We can recognize the hygiene problem without stereotyping on entire country. Morning, Kap.
Morning.
Well, babbling Kap. Our engine cadet is getting bullied by other bro.
Okay, I will handle it.
Kap. What's happening here?
We've noticed an hygiene issue, but we want to handle it respectfully.
Personal hygiene is important on board because we working in living in shared environment. But we should never insult someone's nationality or culture. And then,
Sir.
we speak with you for further.
Okay, sir.
This a strong body odor. Since we share living in working spaces, it is important that everyone follows proper hygiene practices.
Stand, Captain. I'm sorry. I'm still adjusting life on the ship and the schedule. I didn't realize it affecting others.
Thank you for your understanding. If you need assistance or you have any concern, please let us know.
I appreciate that, Captain. I make sure to improve my hygiene.
Cadet, sorry about what we have said earlier. I should have assumed that your nationality explained the problem.
Thank you. I understand that good hygiene is important to everyone on the ship.
Right. Cultural diversity gives us an opportunity to learn and from each other.
We're still learning about each other's culture.
Ask questions respectfully. Don't assume you understand someone's culture.
Practice empathy. Try to understand what another person may be experiencing.
Don't stereotype. Judge people based on their individual action, not their nationality. Communicate respectfully. When there is a problem, address the behavior of the person, not the culture or identity.
And open mind, different does not automatically mean wrong.